I'm sure a lot of y'all wanna know who exactly Shandesh is. So let's get to know her a little bit. Nyana, nyana. So Shandesh the vocalist is a talented South African musician known for her versatility in navigating various genres, with a special focus of Bolobedu music. Her musical journey began in primary school, and she took her first step into recording in 2018. Her breakthrough came with her hit song Lumulo, which resonated with audiences far and wide, with hits like Hamapula, Stodla Oslenda, and The Chopper. She has captivated audiences locally and beyond. Shandesh has shared the spotlight with renowned artists such as Wave Rider, King Monada, Baya, Shebeshit, and Karishma, among others. Her collaborations are a fusion of styles showcasing her ability to adapt and thrive in diverse musical landscapes. With her music available on platforms like Apple Music and Spotify, Shandesh's sound has reached listeners worldwide. Her unique blend of traditional and contemporary elements has earned her a loyal following and critical acclaim. Yeah, so yeah, man, we're getting to know Shandesh kanyane. Angazi ukuthi this information is not enough, but we're just getting to know her kanyane. You know, we're still gonna know her more though.
Anami ngamso fumbale, anami ngamso fumbale. Gambani kinwe byala, oranagiye mujoloni. Gambani kinwe byala, oranagiye mujoloni. Nagya difer, byaleni umuna trigamada, autere le botelo. Byalenu munatika mada, gambana kene byalo. Byalenu munatika mada, otere le bodelo. Byalenu munatika mada, gambana kene byala. Orenagiye mujoloni, gambana kene byala. Orenagiye mujoloni. Watwana yola luena, kari alisa ni filo, kari yola luena, alisa ni filo. Tara. Inajala, Tara, Oskavalicha, Tara, Inajala, Tara, Oskavalicha, Inajala, Wabula, Inajala, Wawa, we catch each other. And now, Chama, Pella, no gonna go for a road. Damn it. By the time or there's someone behind you. Baby, what do they? Baroke, Charity, Wakala, already fed to wheel. Manavari to wheel. Dilo kamuka diluki, ditorisha bella bella, ditorisha bella bella, ditosha pavella. Kuwudi jame, karivela ubule, karukuche chitolo laka, ganete uabile. Kuwudi jame. Esvara ubule, karukuche chitolo laka, ganete uabile. Doricha bella belle, karu ya wile. Doricha bella belle, karu ya wi. Di doricha. Yele vi yung kama mutu god. Yo, there's a hamburger. Paka mkhogidutsi wila bona transport ya bana ba sekolo ba no ka Friday go chipita ndo bari ete milawa banana rikase fufe daleri fufile mudimuri dirile di chopa au exe bari dinta karwetala. How it say, Baridinta, Karwetala, Bari excesha pofere, Dinta, God is keeper. Claro etala.
Excesha pufere. Ruela mra.
Never do la one to rega bill. Yeah.
Ruela mra.
Urulo chaka
But still mra.
Anabele bambija mako. Bambija. January. What release January?
Cara, un romele aquí before the release.
Ito Romel.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yo. Oh my wow! Karibu di buha kapila. Ekila wanda. Ekira pela wanda. Agasumfumulele. Jenga muka umpile. And the
You've made it to the end of the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, as I'll be dropping more Likompo updates here. Pila, I'll be dropping everything that has to do with Likompo on this channel, so please make sure you subscribe so you can get that notification, when I upload. Yes, bye bye. Ube righty, over sharpu, ube grandi, ube nosuku elihle elifana nawe. Bye bye, ngiyakuthanda.